हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम एडवांस इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स में यूनिट नंबर 3 के अंदर लेक्चर नंबर 23 में ले रहे हैं नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। तो नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन रेफर्स टू फैमिली ऑफ कंटिन्यूस प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन डेस्क्राइब्ड बाय द नॉर्मल इक्वेशन। नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन क्या करता है? रेफर करता है फैमिली ऑफ कंटिन्यूस प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन को बाय नॉर्मल इक्वेशन से। व्हाट इज द नॉर्मल इक्वेशन? The normal distribution is defined by the following equation. The normal equation, the value of the random variable y is y equals to 1 upon sigma square root of 2 pi a to power minus x minus mu whole square upon 2 sigma square, where x is a normal random variable, mu is the mean, sigma is the standard deviation, and pi is the approximately 3.14159 and E is approximately 2.71828. The random variable x is the normal equation is called the normal random variable. The normal equation is the probability density function for the normal distribution. इस तरह से नॉर्मल इक्वेशन के लिए इसे probability density function भी कह सकते हैं। y equals to 1 upon sigma under root 2 pi और e raised to power minus x minus mu whole square upon 2 sigma square, जिसमें सिग्मा को स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन, पाई अप्रॉक्सीमेट वैल्यू होती है इसकी 3.14159 और ई की अप्रॉक्सीमेट वैल्यू होती है 2.71828। इस तरह से नॉर्मल कर्व क्या होता है? द ग्राफ ऑफ द नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन डिपेंड ऑन टू फैक्टर्स, द मीन एंड द स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन। तो जो ग्राफ होता है नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन डिपेंड करता है दो फैक्टर्स पर, मीन और स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन। द मीन of the distribution determines the location of the center of the graph. मीन से हमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, मीन का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बताता है कि लोकेशन ऑफ द सेंटर ऑफ द ग्राफ क्या है। एंड द स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन डिटरमाइन द हाइट एंड विड्थ ऑफ द ग्राफ। और स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन से हाइट और विड्थ का पता लगता है ग्राफ की। ऑल नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लुक्स लाइक ए सिमेट्रिक बेल शेप्ड कर्व एज शोन बिलो। सभी जो नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होते हैं वो बेल शेप्ड के होते हैं और सिमेट्रिक होते हैं, जैसे इसमें दिया गया है ये नॉर्मल कर्व। ये भी एक नॉर्मल कर्व है। When the standard deviation is small, the curve is called narrow. Curve is tall and narrow when the standard deviation is big. The curve is short and wide. Next is the probability and normal curve. The normal distribution is a continuous probability distribution. This has several implications for probability. Normal distribution एक continuous probability distribution है, इसमें कुछ implication होते हैं probability के। फर्स्ट इज द टोटल एरिया अंडर द नॉर्मल कर्व इज इक्वल्स टू 1। टोटल एरिया होता है नॉर्मल कर्व के द्वारा वो इक्वल 1 होता है। द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट ए नॉर्मल रैंडम वेरिएबल एक्स इक्वल एनी पार्टिकुलर वैल्यू इज 0। प्रोबेबिलिटी जो नॉर्मल रैंडम वेरिएबल इक्वल होती है किसी पार्टिकुलर वैल्यू वो 0 होती है। द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट एक्स इज ग्रेटर दैन ए इक्वल्स द एरिया अंडर द नॉर्मल कर्व बाउंडेड बाई ए and plus infinity as indicated by the non-shaded area in the figure। ये दिखाया गया है नॉन शेडेड एरिया कौन सा है, ये वाला। और ये ए यहाँ पे इसका यहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है और इनफाइनाइट तक जाती है। नॉर्मल कर्व में इस तरह से हम प्रोबेबिलिटी को डिसाइड करते हैं। तो ये ए से लेस प्रोबेबिलिटी आएगी इसमें और ए से ग्रेटर लेंगे तो सी वाली आएगी। Additionally, every normal curve, regardless of its mean or standard deviation, conforms to the following rules. इसके कुछ रूल्स होते हैं नॉर्मल कर्व के। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, about 68% of the area under the curve falls within one standard deviation of the mean। ये 68% एरिया होता है अंडर द कर्व, फॉल्स होता है within one standard deviation of mean। About 95% of the area under the curve falls within 2 standard deviations of the mean। And about 99.7% of the area under the curve fall within 3 standard deviation of the mean। इस तरह से इसे 1 टाइम स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन होता है 68% एरिया, 95% 2 टाइम्स स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन होता है ऑफ द मीन का, और 99.7% एरिया होता है कर्व में जो फॉल्स होता है 3 टाइम्स होता है स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ द मीन का। Collectively, these points are known as the empirical rule or 68.999.7 rule। Clearly given in normal distribution, most outcomes will be within 3 standard deviation of the mean। To find the probability associated with a normal random variable, use a graphing calculator, an online normal distribution calculator, or normal distribution table. In the example below, we illustrate the use of Star Trek normal distribution calculator or free tool available on this site. In the next lesson, with normal distribution table. First of all, we are given a normal distribution in a variate X with mean mu and variance sigma square. में एक नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के तरह दिए गए हैं. तो normal distribution in a variate X with mean mu and variance sigma square is a static distribution with probability density function Px equals to 1 upon sigma under root 2 pi e raised to power minus x minus mu whole square upon 2 sigma square. On the domain X belongs to minus infinity to plus infinity, while statisticians and mathematicians uniformly use the terms normal distribution for this distribution. Physicists sometimes call it Gaussian distribution, and because of its curve flaring shapes, social scientists refer to it as the Weyl curve. Feller, 1968. Social scientists refer to it as the Weyl's curve. Feller 1968 uses the symbols psi x for px in the above equation, but then switches to nx in Feller 1971. The Mayber developed the normal distribution as an approximation to the binomial distribution. It was subsequently used by Laplace in 1783 to study measurement error, and by Gauss in 1809 in the analysis of astronomical data. The normal distribution is implemented in the well-formed language or normal distribution. The so-called standard normal distribution is given by mu equals to 0 and sigma square equals to 1 in a general normal distribution. An arbitrary normal distribution can be converted to a standard normal distribution by changing variable z equals to x minus mu upon sigma. So dz equals to this x upon sigma, yielding Px dx equals to 1 upon under root 2 pi raised to power minus z square upon 2 dz. The Fisher variance problem is the determination of test for the equality of means for two normal distributions with different variance. The normal distribution phi z gives the probability that a standard normal variate assume a value in the interval 0 to z. Phi z equals to 1 upon under root 2 pi integration between 0 to z e raised to power minus x square by 2 dx. 1 upon 2 error function of z upon under root 2. Where ERF is a function sometimes called the error function, neither phi z nor ERF can be expressed in the terms of finite addition, subtraction, multiplication and root extraction, and so both must be either computed numerically or otherwise approximated. There is a curve given in probability and value of n. The normal distribution is the limiting case of discrete binomial distribution P n upon n as the sample size capital N become large, and in which case P probability is normal with mean and variance. Mu equals to np and sigma square equals to npq. With q equals to 1 minus p, the distribution px is properly normalized since integration between minus infinity to plus infinity px dx equals to 1. The cumulative distribution function, which gives the probability that a variate will assume a value less than equals to x, is then the integral of normal distribution. So dx equals to integration between minus infinity to plus infinity px dash dx dash equals to 1 upon sigma under root 2 pi integration minus infinity to plus infinity raised to power minus x dash minus mu whole square upon 2 sigma squared dx dash 1 upon 2 1 plus error function of x minus mu upon sigma under root 2, where ERF is the so-called error function. Normal distribution have many convenient properties, so random variate with unknown distribution are often assumed to be normal, especially in physics and astronomy. Although this can be dangerous assumption, it is often a good approximation due to a surprising result known as the center limit theorem. This theorem states that the mean of any set of variate with any distribution having a finite mean and variance tends to the normal distribution. Many common attributes such as test score, height, etc. follow roughly normal distribution with few members at the high and low ends and many in the middle. Because the occurs so frequently, there is an unfortunate tendency to invoke normal distribution in situations where they may not be applicable. As Lippmann stated, everybody believes in the exponential law of error. The experimenters because they think it can be proved by mathematics, and the mathematician because they believe it has been established by observation. Among the amazing properties of the normal distribution are that normal sum distribution and normal difference distribution obtained by respectively adding and subtracting variate x and y from two independent normals distribution with arbitrary means and variance are also called the normal ratio distribution obtained from x upon y as a Cauchy distribution. Using the k-static formalism, the unbiased estimator for the variance of a normal distribution is given by sigma square equals to n upon n minus 1 into s square, where s square equals to 1 upon n summation I equals to 1 to n xi minus x bar का whole square. So variance x equals to s square upon n minus 1. The characteristic function for the normal distribution is phi t equals to e raised to power iota m t minus sigma square t square upon 2. And the moment generating function is mt equals to e raised to power tx integration between minus infinity to plus infinity e raised to power tx upon sigma under root 2 pi e raised to power minus x minus mu whole square upon 2 sigma square dx y raised to power mu t plus sigma square t square upon 2. So m dash t equals to mu plus sigma square t multiply e raised to power mu t plus sigma square t square upon 2. और m डबल डैश टी इक्वल्स टू सिग्मा स्क्वायर ई रेज़ टू पावर म्यू टी प्लस सिग्मा स्क्वायर टी स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 प्लस ई रेज़ टू पावर म्यू टी प्लस सिग्मा स्क्वायर टी स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 म्यू टी प्लस टी सिग्मा स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर एंड म्यू इक्वल्स टू m डैश 0 इक्वल्स टू म्यू और सिग्मा स्क्वायर m डबल डैश 0 माइनस m डैश 0 का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू सिग्मा स्क्वायर. दिस कैन बी computed using RT equals to ln mt or mu t plus 1 upon 2 sigma square t square RT R dash t mu plus sigma square t R double dash t sigma square yielding mu equals to R dash 0 equals to mu sigma square R double dash 0 equals to sigma square. The raw moment can also be computed directly by computing the raw moment mu dash n equals to xn or mu dash n equals to 1 upon sigma under root 2 pi minus infinity to plus infinity x power of n e raised to power minus x minus mu whole square upon 2 sigma square dx or u equals to x minus mu upon under root 2 into sigma du equals to dx upon under root 2 sigma x equals to sigma u under root 2 plus mu. Given the moments of the term Gaussian integral mu dash n equals to 1 upon under root 2 pi integration minus infinity to plus infinity x power of n e raised to power minus mu square du. Evaluating these integrals gives mu dash 0 1 mu dash 1 mu dash 2 mu square plus sigma square mu dash 3 mu into mu square plus 3 sigma square mu dash 4 mu power 4 plus 6 mu square into sigma square plus 3 sigma power of 4. Now find the center limit mu 1 equals to 0 mu 2 equals to sigma square mu 3 equals to 0 mu 4 equals to 3 sigma power 4. The variance, skewness and kurtosis axes are given by variance x equals to sigma square, gamma 1 equals to 0, gamma 2 equals to 0. The cumulative generating function for normal distribution is kh equals to ln e raised to power v jh e raised to power sigma square h square upon 2 or v1h plus 1 upon 2 sigma square h square. So k1 equals to v1, k2 equals to sigma square, kr equals to 0 for r greater than 0. For normal variance, kr equals to 0 for r greater than 0. So the variance of k statics k3 is variance k3 equals to k6 upon n plus 9 k2 k4 upon n minus 1 plus 9 k3 square upon n minus 1 plus 9 6 k2 power of 3 upon n n minus 1 n minus 2 equals to 6 k2 power of 3 upon n n minus 1 n minus 2. Also this will become variance of k4, variance of g1, variance of g2, and g1 g2 is k3 upon k1 k2 raised to power 3 by 2 g2 equals to k power upon k2 square. This way we find different values. this is completed the lecture. Thank you all of you.